Welcome to our electric tricycle assembly site. Let's start with the cab installation. First comes the fan wiring. The fan is essential to keep the motor cool. We expertly route the wires along the frame, making sure they are well protected and each connection is secure. This ensures efficient operation of the fan and prevents overheating issues. Now, proceed to the roof and sunroof assembly. First, we secure the roof in place, firmly attaching it to the cab. Then, install the sunroof, checking that its track is smooth for easy operation and that the seal is perfect to keep out water and dust. Next, let's proceed to the horn assembly. We carefully connect the horn to the electrical system, ensuring that the wires are properly inserted into the terminals to guarantee a clear and loud sound when the rider presses the horn button. Next is the interior rearview mirror assembly. We position the mirror at the best angle to allow the rider to clearly see the rear area. This simple but important step improves safety while riding. Door lock assembly requires precise operation. We first align the lock body precisely with the door frame and then securely install the lock bolt. This way, your electric trike will have a reliable and trouble-free locking system. Finally, the waterproof strips assembly is performed. We apply these strips around the doors and windows and compress them to create a watertight seal. This protects the interior from rain and moisture, ensuring the durability of the trike. With careful and precise installation, we are one step closer to having a fully assembled, reliable electric trike.